Hi, this is Tom Boyk, Lead Teacher for Technology for District 33, and I wanted to talk about the laptop program, specifically about how to plug in your laptop to a power source, how to connect your laptop to the internet, how to connect it to a projector, and lastly, the steps you need to take the first time you boot up your laptop. So first things first, there's a jack in the back left-hand corner of your laptop. It's circular. That's going to be where you plug in the power cord. You will be supplied with a power cord. This is where you're going to plug it in. Okay, now if you're trying to connect to the internet, it really depends on which school you're at. What that means is that the elementary schools have not been wired for wireless internet yet. So you're going to need to use an Ethernet wire to connect to the internet. Now the library has wireless, so you are going to be able to have a wireless setup if you are in the library. But within the classroom, you're going to use an Ethernet cord, which is right here on the screen. And then plug that into the jack on the wall. You have a jack on your wall that has two outputs. So you're going to have one that's already being sent to your laptop computer or to your desktop computer. The open port you're going to use to plug in your laptop. Now at the middle school, you do have wireless. You do have a wireless network already set up. So when you go to sign on, it should default log you into the wireless network. If not, you can click on the little wireless icon in the bottom right hand corner, and if you use your school login, so for example for like me it's BoykT, if you use your login and your password, you'll be able to access the wireless network. Now this is where on your computer, if you are hardwiring it, if you're using an Ethernet cord, it's in the back right hand corner. The power source is on the back left hand corner. The Ethernet cord is on the back right hand corner. And this again is what an Ethernet cord looks like. Now if you happen to have a projector in your classroom, here is how you connect your laptop to the projector. At the elementary schools, you're going to follow the cord from the projector down to the Y adapter on the back of your desktop computer. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is a Y adapter. One of the two outputs goes to your monitor, the other output goes to the projector. So you need to kind of follow it down from the projector, disconnect it, the one that's coming from the projector, disconnect it from the Y adapter. This will not affect your monitor. Disconnect it from the Y adapter, plug it in to your laptop and the VGA port, which is actually, you can see on this picture, right next to the Ethernet port. If you teach at the middle school, there's actually been a VGA jack put right into the wall. So find where the VGA comes out of the wall, trace that back to the Y adapter, remove that one. You don't have to remove both of them or from the desktop, just from the Y, and then plug that into the back right hand corner of your laptop. Now, if you are one of those teachers who have a smartboard, you're actually halfway there because you've already connected the projector. The USB connection from the smartboard is what you need to look for. It's going to be a dangling cord from the back of your smartboard. Now, it might have been fixed to underneath your blackboard, so you might have to look underneath there. But if you want to connect your smartboard to your laptop, you simply disconnect that USB cord from the back of your desktop and plug it into one of the two USB ports that you have on your new laptop. And once you have the VGA plugged in and the USB, your smartboard should be fully active. Now, the first time you log in, whether you're at the middle school or the elementary school, connect your laptop using the Ethernet cord. And the reason for that is that this allows the network to recognize the device. So it kind of authenticates your device on our District 33 network. When you boot up your computer for the first time, you'll see this visitor login. What you're going to want to click on is below the password box where it says switch user. You'll get this screen then. Go ahead and click on other user, and then you'll get this screen. And this is where you'll enter in your District 33 login, like for example mine is BoykT, and then you use your password. One last thing is that when you're shutting down your laptop, we ask that you actually go down to the Start menu and then click Shut Down via that route, as opposed to simply just pressing the power button. That's so that the computer can cycle through all the necessary processes to shut down safely. If you run into any technological problems, please first contact your building level tech. If you have any questions, feel free to email or call Tom Boyk at boykt@wego33.org.